Pretty Powerful campaign is strong,
aspirational,
confident
empowering
women. So the Pretty Powerful campaign was established for supporting smart works and how we can get women back into work by getting them to look and feel like themselves.
Bobbi Brown have been SmartWorks partners right since the moment we launched over 5 years ago. They've donated over £250,000, and in that time we've gone from being one centre to 7 centres around the UK. It's about bringing out the best that a woman can be.
Here at SmartWorks, that's very much part of what you do when you come and get your clothing. You've got lovely people to talk to and to encourage you on your way.
I've always wanted to do things within the legal department or to do with law. When I had interview opportunity, my first career-based role, and so I was quite nervous. I wasn't really sure what to expect.
I just finished secondary school. I'm currently looking for employment. I have an interview next week. When I came to SmartWorks to get smart clothes for work, I felt that was really good for me because at the beginning I didn't know what smart clothes was.
When a woman walks through our doors, we want her to relax and to feel that we want her to succeed. We have amazing volunteers who are all trained, skilled people, and they'll pick out the clothes that they think will be best for them at their interview.
Their reaction and before I'd seen myself made me feel so good.
The client will go into the interview coaching room, they'll have a one-to-one session with one of our experienced coaches just to talk about what they need to succeed at their job interview.
It has helped me to speak more passionately about things that I like. I feel like that I'm work ready now.
So this year for the Pretty Powerful campaign, we are launching the Pretty Powerful collection, and we've teamed up with Lulu Guinness to create a gorgeous makeup bag that every woman will want in her handbag, and we've added 2 of our key products.
So I'm absolutely thrilled with Lulu Guinness and Bobbi Brown collaboration. And my favourite part has a see-through lip on the front. I just think it's a fabulous cosmetic bag and I'm really, really proud of it.
In there you have the art stick, which is great for applying to the cheeks and lips, and your black smoky eye mascara, which again, great for opening up the eyes. Now the reason we've chosen these products is because they are 2 key products that instantly make a difference.
All the proceeds will go straight to SmartWorks so that we can help these ladies get back to work.
Bobbi Brown and Lulu Guinness are both brands that really support women. I think there's a really strong theme of empowerment and women helping other women just to be the best that they can be, and we were absolutely thrilled when we saw the collaboration come together. 60% of them go on to get the job, and we're so proud of that. We want to empower a woman so that she can feel her best, so that she can feel confident and that she can go and shine at a really crucial moment.
The interview went amazing. All the things that I prepared for came out. Got the job, so it's a great feeling to know that SmartWorks contributed to that process.
I feel more confident now with the interview skills that I've got and the speaking skills that they've taught me in SmartWorks.
I have so much to learn, so much challenges that are ahead of me, but I'm just excited and I feel prepared and equipped for it. It's changed my life, a huge deal.
What makes me feel pretty powerful is a good concealer.
Red lipstick.
A good lip gloss.
Highlight because it gives you a glow.
I love my mascara. I wouldn't be without it.